Well, we have successfully started our application. Next we are going to use some routes. Let's go to the bootstrap. Here we are going to do some layout stuff. Click on get started and click on starter template. Here it is. Let's copy this starter template and paste it below this HTML, because we are going to use this to link to this body. Paste it here, copy and paste it in the place of hello world, and this title in the place of title. Where it is, here it is. And now remove all of the code from the top, save it. Let's add a component of bootstrap. Component navbar, looks for navbar. I'm going to use this nav. This is the very simple navbar we are going to use. Copy and paste it here before this body. Okay, Control Shift I for reformatting your code. In Windows you need to use Shift Alt F, Control D for multiple selection. Okay, now inside body tag, let's wrap everything with a wrapper tab. Okay, from this body to this navbar, we are going to take everything inside this wrapper. Okay, now go to user.js. From here we are going to create few more routes. Router.get. This route is for registering user. It will take two parameters: request, response. Next is for optional, you can use it or not, it's depend on your requirements. I am going to render a page. Let's make a register page. Register. Inside views we are going to create a file, register.hbs. make sure this register spelling is same as this one, otherwise it will not work. Okay, from bootstrap components, looks for forms. We are going to use the simple forms. We are going to use this simple form. Just copy and go to Visual Studio Code. Inside register, let's add a div with class name of container. It will add some padding on left and right side. Okay, next we are going to create few break line, br multiplied by 3. After that, let's add a row, call md6. It will use half of our container, and here we are going to use our form. Okay, let's inside row we are going to use on class from bootstrap, justify content center. It will take our form in center of our skin. And inside form, let's make a class with name of text left. Actually, let's make it text left. Okay, in your browser, after this 3000 port number, add this users /register. You are thinking where this user coming from? Let me show you. On the app.js, you can see we have used React router, and in React router we are already in /users. That means we are already in one step ahead. We just need to save it and after app.user we are using this route, so we need to use this register, router spelling strong, router. Okay, now the problem is whenever we are changing anything from any of this file, it's not updating on our server properly, so we need to use an external package. So from terminal, Ctrl+C for getting out of this server running. We are going to use npm install Nodemon, and we are going to install it as dev dependency. Okay, open package.json. Here we don't have any file with name of Nodemon. Here we are going to replace it Nodemon in the place of node. Here you can see we have added dev dependency since we have installed Nodemon. Now next we are going to run the same command, npm start. It will solve your problem. Whenever we change anything inside our code, it will continuously update to the server, so nothing went wrong. Let's see. This is our register page. Reload it. It's working perfectly. Let me do some refreshing. I don't want this small text, I don't want this checkbox. Okay, next I want one more password field. I want one more field at the top. This one would be full name, and this would be confirm password, and everything looks perfect to me.